बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 31 मार्च 2024 के अखबार में। वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान की जॉब है, वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन एट योर डोर स्टेप। वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज़ अ फेडरल चार्टर्ड public university with its head office at Islamabad. Virtual University is an equal opportunity employer. Virtual University of Pakistan requires the services of bright and motivated individuals for the following regular post on contractual basis: 3 years extendable contract on satisfactory performance. The selected applicants can be placed for duty at Islamabad or in any office/campus of Virtual University of Pakistan. Designation / duty station manager IT Lahore/Islamabad. Pay scale E111. Number of post 1. Eligibility criteria: first class 4-year BS degree in computer science/IT or equivalent from HSC recognized university/institution, at least 7 years post qualification experience of designing, developing and deploying complex software systems. Good domain knowledge of learning and content management systems as well as current programming tools and languages is a must. Experience of developing desktop and internal based applications with a strong database management skills is required. Fluency in spoken and written English is required. Database administrator Lahore/Islamabad. Pay scale E4. Number of post 1. First class 4-year BS degree in computer sciences/IT or equivalent from HSC recognized university/institution with Microsoft SQL Server related certification, at least 5 years post qualification experience of SQL Server database administration managing multiple MS SQL 2005. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। अच्छा जी, उसके बाद है सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर लाहौर/इस्लामाबाद। पे स्केल J1। नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट है 4 BS डिग्री इन कंप्यूटर साइंस/IT और इक्विवेलेंट फर्स्ट डिवीजन फ्रॉम HSC recognized university/institution, at least 3 years post qualification experience of designing, developing and deploying complex software systems. Good domain knowledge of learning and content management systems as well as current programming tools and languages is a must. Experience of developing desktop and internet based applications with strong database management skills is required. Fluency in spoken and written English is required. Skills required: hands-on experience of working on ASP.NET, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, VB.NET/C#, and SQL Server. Hands-on experience with the ASP.NET framework, SQL Server and design/architectural patterns, e.g. web forms and model view controller MVC. Hands-on experience with architecture style/APIs, REST, RPC. Understanding of Agile and Scrum methodologies. Hands-on experience of writing queries, stored procedures and functions in SQL Server. Software engineer Lahore/Islamabad. Pay scale J2 14. Number of post 4-year BS degree in computer science/IT or equivalent first division from HSC recognized university/institution, at least 2 years post qualification experience of designing, developing and deploying complex software systems. Fluency in spoken and written English is required. Good domain knowledge of learning, हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस, ये सब आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी। अच्छा, उसके बाद जो पोस्ट है वो AC प्लांट इंजीनियर/सुपरवाइज़र। पे स्केल J2। नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1। BTech और DAE ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है एटलीस्ट सेकेंड डिवीजन फ्रॉम रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी/बोर्ड/इंस्टीट्यूशन विद स्पेशलाइजेशन इन AC सिस्टम से एटलीस्ट 10 years एक्सपीरियंस इन HVAC ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन चिलर्स। Experience of installation/operation/maintenance of compressor based as well as chilled water circulation air conditioning system is a must. The ability to read schematic diagrams and operate microprocessor. Controlled chillers is required. Receptionist pay scale J501. Intermediate or equivalent at least second division from a recognized institution, at least 3 years relevant. Experience, good spoken and written English skills are required. IT skills are a must. Office assistant pay scale J6 2. Intermediate or equivalent at least second division from a recognized institution, at least 2 years post qualification experience in office work. Ability to maintain office filling system and records. IT proficiency is a must. Driver pay scale J7. Number of posts are 5. Literate, at least 5 years driving experience. The driver must have a valid HTV/LTV driving license and ability to maintain logbook. Necessary clearance from the relevant authorities is required. Security guard/lady searcher pay scale J7. Male to female 2. Criteria for male middle armed forces with own licensed weapon. Necessary clearance from the relevant authorities is required. Criteria for female literate, at least 2 years relevant experience. Office boy pay scale J8. Male 1, female 1, literate, at least 2 years relevant experience. Please read the following instructions before applying. The age of superannuation is 60 years. Applicants already working or under contract obligations in the government/semi-government service or autonomous bodies will be required to submit no objections certificate from their current employer at the time of interview or earlier. Part-time, honorary, visiting, apprenticeship, freelancing and internee experience will not be counted as experience. Experience letters only issued by the respective HR/registrar department will be accepted. Only eligible/shortlisted candidates will be contacted individually for interview. Interested applicants should apply online https://www.vu.edu.vk/opportunity/jobs.aspx. It is mandatory to fill all relevant information on online job application form. No hard copy of the application will be acceptable. Candidates having foreign degree will have to submit the equivalence certificate issued from HSC Islamabad at the time of interview. Application processing of fee of rupees 3,000 non-refundable for the post of pay scale E3 and E4, rupees 1,000/non-refundable/ for the posts of pay scale JI and J2 shall be paid before the closing date or at the time of submission of online job application through challan form. Application for the post marked with along with the required documents shall reach at the address given below on or before last date of applications. However, no application processing fee is applicable for those posts. Candidates who want to apply for more than one post must apply separately for each post. Application having incomplete/fake information or without application processing fee will not be entertained. Candidate shall sign an affidavit at the time of interview stating that he/she is not dual national, and in case of selection he/she shall not keep dual job in any manner. In case of selection/appointment, candidate shall submit a medical fitness certificate signed/stamped by medical superintendent MS of any. Keep dual job in any manner. In case of selection/appointment, candidate shall be submit medical fitness certificate, नहीं ये तो मैंने पढ़ दिया है, sorry, MS of any civil/government hospital at the time of joining. In case of selection/appointment, candidate shall be submit medical fitness certificate signed/stamped by medical superintendent MS of any. फल्ला मैं बार बार यही क्यों पढ़ रही हूँ? ओहो, ये इन केस 2 दफ़ा जो लिखा हुआ है इसलिए कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है. इन केस एनी डेफिशिएंसी is observed in the eligibility of the candidate or fake/incomplete information is provided by the candidate, his/her candidature will be cancelled or his/her job will be terminated immediately at any stage. Your application will not be considered submitted until you complete it by filling at the mandatory fields and click submit button at the last step. Selected candidate may be posted at any campus/office of virtual university anywhere in Pakistan. Not TA/DA will be admissible for appearing in test/interview. Applicable taxes will be deducted from monthly salary as per rule. Virtual University of Pakistan reserves the right to reject any or all applications at any stage without assigning any reason. Applicants should apply online www.vu.edu.pk/jobs. Last date of application April 25, 2024. For further information, please contact Directorate of Administration, Virtual University of Pakistan, 19 Ataturk Avenue, G for ground, G5/1, SSMS Building, Islamabad, UN 051 111888080, एक्सटेंशन 328 322 तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।